Welcome back everyone to another episode. We are in Rayong and we are staying at the Holiday Inn Express, and if you got a few minutes I'm going to show you the entire hotel. It's going to be a quick one. This hotel is around $30. It's newly built, and that's why I thought, okay, this is actually good value. And as you can see, I already got comfortable in the room, but before I mess it up completely, let me show you the room first. The layout is simple but practical, designed for travelers who want a clean and efficient space without paying for extras they don't need. There's a small desk where you can work, enough lights and many plug points for charging your phone or laptop. You also get a smart TV and a small sofa bench. Storage space is simple, an open wardrobe and a few shelves. The bathroom is small but very clean. The shower has good water pressure and the hotel uses wall-mounted soap and shampoo. It's nothing fancy, but it works well. The hotel also has a few useful facilities. There's a small gym that opens 24/7. It only has a treadmill, a bike and some free weights, but it's enough for a quick workout. They use the mirrors in a smart way to make the gym look bigger. If you like to book with Agoda, use our link to get 10% off on top of other bonuses, or use the code Sven at checkout. Even though we didn't have enough time to jump in the pool, in my opinion it looks nice. You have sunbeds and the pool is big compared to the size of the hotel. There's a kids room as well, in case you're traveling with your family. Opposite the hotel there's a convenience store that opens 24/7 if you ever feel like you need something. Now, for the breakfast. It's simple but good and included in your stay. You get eggs, sausages, fried rice, bread, pastries, cereal, fruit and yogurt. There's also a coffee machine where you can make your own latte or cappuccino. The food is fresh and the staff refills everything quickly. The breakfast area is bright and comfortable. I love to drink coffee in the morning, and at this hotel you also get takeaway cups if you want another coffee to go. I've never seen this at other hotels. Thanks for watching.